Do you know that 98% of new YouTubers will fail?
Oh my!
Yeah, you heard me right. 98%. And if you are watching this video, your chances are you don't want to be part of that statistics, right? But here is the kicker. It's not because they are untalented or unlucky. Most new YouTubers fail because they don't know how to create the right kind of content their audiences want. In this video, I am breaking down exactly why so many creators fail and what you can do differently to succeed. If you are serious about growing your channel, stick around because this could change the way you approach YouTube forever. If this is a video you have loved to watch, please like, share, and comment. And lastly, do not forget to share this good news to a whole lot of what? Creators. Let's hop in. Let's be real. YouTube is not just about uploading random videos and hoping for the best. It is a platform with over 500 hours of content uploaded every minute. That is a lot of competition, right? So you need to stand out. If you want to stand out and actually grow, you need to understand how to create content that people want to watch. And that is exactly what we are diving into today. By the end of this video, you will know how to avoid the mistakes that most new YouTubers make and start creating content that attracts views, engagement, and subscribers. The number one reasons most new YouTubers fail is that they fall into what I call the content trap. Yes, this happens when creators make videos based on what they think is cool, like based on what they want is not what their audience wants. All right? Instead of what their audience is actually searching for. Here is a harsh truth. If your videos doesn't solve a problem, entertain or provide value, people won't stick around because they wouldn't want to spend their time and data watching what unvalued what content or irrelevant what content. So once they notice that you as a creator or this particular channel is not giving us or solving a problem, there is no need they will want to watch that video. Take a second to think about this. When was the last time you searched for a random vlog from someone you didn't know? Answer my question, drop it in the comment section. Exactly. That is why starting with searchable content is critical. And not only searchable content, but an evergreen content. You need to create content that answers a question or solve a problem for your targeted what audience. Here is another big mistake. Let me settle down. Not choosing a clear niche. A lot of new creators try to appeal to everyone by making random content. But the truth is, if you are trying to talk to everyone, you are talking to no one. Here is how to fix that. The first thing you will do is think about your passion and expertise. Number two, research your target audience. What are they searching for? What do they want? What do they want to see on this YouTube platform? Then number three is narrow it down to one niche you can dominate. Tailor it to a particular niche you are passionate about or a particular niche you can do. For example, instead of making lifestyle videos, focus on something specific like budget-friendly fitness tips or vegan recipes for beginners. This helps you attract the right audience and build a loyal community. Now, let's talk about creating content that actually gets views. This is where many new YouTubers drop the ball. Here is the formula. 1. Start with a hook. Your first 15 to 10 seconds are crucial. Yes, if you don't grab attention, viewers will click away. And when they click away, they will never want to watch your video. So start with a bold statement, a question, or a surprising fact like I did in this video. The second thing you will do is deliver value fast. Yes, don't waste time with long intros, long question, long this, long that. Instead of those long intros, get straight to the point and let viewers know why they should stick around and they should know why they should watch that video. The third thing is keep it engaging. Use visuals, chords, and music to keep your audience interested. And make sure your video is structured. Intro, main point, and conclusion. These are the three aims of your what? Content. Your intro, the main point, the body of your content and your conclusion. That is what your audience wants to watch on your videos. Here is an unpopular truth most new YouTubers don't know about. Consistency matters more than creativity. When you are starting out, you don't need to reinvent the wheel or create viral content to grow. What you do need is to upload videos on a constant schedule so your audience know when to expect new content. Start with one video a week, then increase if you can. Remember, every video is a chance to learn, to improve and grow your channel. Don't let perfectionism stop you from uploading. Now, finally, let's talk about your secret weapon. YouTube Analytics. It is where you figure out what is working and what is not working for you and your channel. That is why you don't need to include this YouTube analytics, because you have to focus on the key metrics that helps your videos to perform well, which are the click-through rates. This click-through rate tells you if your thumbnail and titles are doing their job. Then the audience retention. That is where you see where people drops off in your videos and figure out how to keep them watching longer. The next one is top performing videos. Double down on topics that are already working for you. Analytics aren't just numbers. They are a roadmap to your next big video ideas. So, if you don't want to end up in the 98% of YouTubers who will fail this year or who is about to fail, start by focusing on your content strategy. Pick a niche, create videos your audience is actually searching for, and consistently improve by analyzing what works. Remember, YouTube success, it is about luck and strategic. It is about learning, adapting, and putting in the work. Now it is your turn. Which of these tips are you going to start with? Let me know in the comment section below, and let's talk about your YouTube goals. And hey, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you wouldn't want to miss out on more strategy to grow your channel. Let's beat the odds together. I want to be your friend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.